ginger snaps, and vegan whipped cream. That's all you need to make this ginger snap cookie cake. This 2-ingredient dairy-free dessert takes only about 5 minutes to make. You just need 2 ingredients, and I'm using ginger snaps here and vegan cocoa whip from So Delicious. Get a narrow loaf pan, put your whipped cream in there, and start to line up the cookies in the pan with a little space between them. Push them down so that you can get as many cookies in there as possible, with making sure there's enough whipped cream between each cookie. The cookies are going to absorb the moisture from the whipped cream, and that's what's going to give them a cake-like consistency. And then you're just going to put some whipped cream over the top and smooth that out. Garnish however you like. I just mashed up some ginger snaps and added those on top. Next, put it in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours or overnight. And there we have it. It's kind of hard to see the layers in there, but it tastes really good. So yeah, so I cut myself a piece. It becomes all cake-like in there. I hope you'll try this and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.